Hi, I'm Jogendra Singh and you are watching Jogi and You. Guys, today's question is a little different. Generally, we calculate the percentage of a simple number. But what if we want to take the square root of the percentage itself? Then how will we do it? Here, we have 16% below the radical symbol. If it was just the square root of 16, we would write its value as 4. But it is not just 16, but 16%. So its square root cannot be just 4. It won't be that easy. So before doing anything else, take a look at our query, in which we have to find the percentage of the square root of 16%. Also, we have been given 4 options, out of which one is correct. Then how can you solve this problem? Okay, before finding a solution, understand the basics of percentage once. What does the percent mean? It initially means a value from every cent or it from every 100. So clearly, 1% is 1 over 100. Then 16% means 16 over 100. Keep these things aside here. Now, this 16 means if you factor it out, it will be 4 times 4. And this 100 will be 10 times 10. In the numerator, 4 times 4 becomes the square of 4. And in the denominator, 10 times 10 becomes the square of 10. Now we have a power rule which is related to power and exponents, according to which in the division, if we have two different bases with the same power, then we can take that power as common, exactly like this. So do as the rule is, and we will have here 4 over 10, that is all squared. And because this is a square and this one is square root, so they can ask out each other and it becomes 4 over 10. Now we will pay attention to the same part of the denominator and this numerator. So what is 4 over 10? Is this a percentage? No. But previously in the question we were told to draw the solution in percentage. So what to do now? To understand this better, watch, it is a fraction. And we know that to convert a fraction to a percentage, we multiply it by 100. So do the same as directed, something like this. Here, this 0 to 0 cancel and we get 4 times 10, which will be 40% after multiplying. And it is the choice D from the given options. And this is what we had to extract from the given radical problem with percentage. How simple it is. So that's it. Now, those who want a complete solution together can write everything by pausing this video. And friends, to stay with me, subscribe on YouTube and follow me on Facebook. And of course, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.